Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. In them, you need to scroll down just a bit and tap on Display section. Then scroll down again. Click on font size and tap on the best option for you. You can see a preview here. I will go with small, so now when I click on it and tap on the back button, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!